This is a short video on how to use the capacity schedule. Now the capacity schedule is used when you don't want to allocate an appointment or resource out to a particular field team member or engineer or team right away. So you might say that you have a certain amount of capacity to do jobs on a certain day, but you want to allocate them perhaps later on in the week, or because you're too busy at the moment, or because perhaps you have the automated invoicing and the customer has selected or requested a particular time, and that always goes to the capacity schedule. So ask your account manager to set up a capacity schedule if you don't know how to do it. We've got one up here under capacity schedule, and I'm just going to make an appointment for someone just as I normally would, but this time instead of selecting an engineer, I'm going to select capacity schedule. So I'm going to put the capacity schedule in. I'm going to say this is a job that's going to last all day. So you can see I'm clicking all of these. I can tell the customer if I want to that they're going to be arriving, but if I'm happy with that, I just hit it, make the appointment, and now we can see that in the capacity schedule, which is coloured green, we have Julie Brownhill here and we have Samantha Fox here. Now when it comes to the end of the week and I perhaps want to allocate this out to a particular person, I just go up to the capacity schedule, so in this case I'm going to allocate it to Chuck Harris. So I can see there that I'm busy on that day, so I'm going to pull Julie into Friday. And as you can see, because it's a full day, it's expanded. It's now asking what type of job it is, so it's a job or project. So it was only taking up one slot in the capacity schedule, but of course it takes up 4 slots in the real schedule because it was a big job. And similarly, if I want to, I can put it back into the capacity schedule. Now that's not the only way to make an appointment in for a capacity schedule appointment. I could go to all the field team members, so I can see everyone's schedule in here. Click a new appointment, find who I want in here to make an appointment for, and then make a capacity schedule appointment, which is in the capacity schedule. Again, I haven't got much time there, so I shall put it in here for that. Now you can see I've made another appointment for Sam Fox here, and if I want to move that appointment into a, and there I've made an appointment in Chuck's diary for Sunday for the allotted time, and it came from the capacity schedule. And that in a nutshell is how to use the capacity schedule.